A lot of people think life insurance is either really hard to get or only available if you're perfectly healthy. And honestly, that's just not true. In most cases, life insurance is obtainable for the majority of people. It really just comes down to your health. Another thing that I see all the time is people relying solely on their life insurance that they get through work. It's usually 1 or 2 times your salary, could be as low as just 50 grand. You don't actually own it, and if you change jobs, retire, or your employer switches plans, that coverage can go away. So it's a good starting point, but it's not a long-term solution by itself. That's where personally owned life insurance comes in. With your own policy, you control how much coverage you want, how it's built, and what features are included. And no matter where your career goes, that policy goes with you. It's really about protecting your income, your family, and your long-term plan. One of the biggest myths I hear is that getting life insurance takes forever or requires a medical exam every single time. The reality is, a lot of people can qualify for meaningful coverage without any exam at all. In some situations, even death benefits up to $3 million can be approved with no labs and no needles if you're healthy. If you're healthy, underwriting can also move very quickly. Sometimes coverage can be in place in as little as 20 minutes. Now, in other circumstances, especially if health isn't as strong, an exam or review of medical records may be needed. That doesn't mean it's a no. It just means the insurance company needs more time to do underwriting. When records are involved, the process can take longer, sometimes 50 or 60 days, depending upon how quickly all the medical records come into us. Another important piece people don't always realize is that modern life insurance can include something called living benefits. Living benefits allow you to access part of your policy while you're still alive if something serious happens, like a critical or chronic or terminal illness. These benefits can help cover medical bills, replace income, or just reduce financial stress when life takes an unexpected turn. Living benefits cover illnesses like heart attack, stroke, cancer, kidney failure, bypass surgery, angioplasty, Alzheimer's, dementia, and other serious illnesses as well. What I want you to take away from this conversation is that life insurance is no longer just about death. It's now about your life. It's about how can your life insurance policy bring to you value today when you need it. How can it help take care of your family when you're in a bad position? Life insurance has evolved. It has evolved for the average person. If you have an old style life insurance policy, not the kind that has living benefits, you may want to see what the difference is to add living benefits on. It may only be an extra $10 or $15 a month for very important coverage. If you would like to request a quote from us, please use the link in the description below and fill out the form so that we can get in contact with you and provide you the meaningful coverage you are looking for. Thanks and have a great day.